If you've discovered scratches on your car, you're probably feeling frustrated and wondering what to do next. Scratches not only affect the appearance of your vehicle, but can also reduce its value if left untreated. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through how to get rid of car scratches and restore your car's finish as much as possible. With the right tools and techniques, you can handle many scratches on your own. The first step is to assess the depth of the scratch. Light scratches that only affect the clear coat are much easier to repair than deeper ones that penetrate the paint or primer. Run your fingernail over the scratch. If your nail doesn't catch, the scratch is likely superficial and can be fixed using simple methods. For deeper scratches, more work will be needed, but they can often still be improved without professional help. For light scratches, you'll need a microfiber cloth, a mild scratch remover, and a little patience. Start by cleaning the scratched area thoroughly with soap and water, then drying it completely. Apply a small amount of scratch remover to your cloth and gently rub it into the scratch using circular motions. Take your time here. This step is essential for blending the scratch with the surrounding paint. After a few minutes, wipe away the excess product and inspect the results. If the scratch is still visible, repeat the process until it fades. When tackling deeper scratches, the process requires additional steps. Start by cleaning the area, as with light scratches. Then use fine grit sandpaper, around 2000 grit, to gently sand the scratch. Be cautious not to overdo it. You're aiming to smooth out the edges of the scratch, not damage the surrounding paint. After sanding, wipe the area clean and apply a touch-up paint that matches your car's color. Once the paint dries, apply clear coat to seal the repair. Then finish with a scratch remover to blend everything together. It's important to mention that deeper scratches might not completely disappear, but following these steps will make them much less noticeable. Knowing how to get rid of car scratches gives you the confidence to address these issues without relying on costly professional services. If you find that the scratch is too severe for at-home methods or the damage involves the car's body, consulting a professional may still be your best option. Prevention is always better than cure. To avoid future scratches, park in safe, uncrowded areas, wash your car with proper tools, and regularly apply wax to protect the paint. Taking these precautions can save you from dealing with scratches in the first place. Now that you know how to get rid of car scratches, you can keep your car looking great and maintain its value. It might take some effort, but the results are worth it. If you need further assistance or have questions about specific products or techniques, don't hesitate to ask.